Alright boys, we're about to go off-roading on the scooter again. Not a good idea. We're just gonna try it again. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. I run off-roading mode. I really hope I don't step on goddamn dog poop or something. Alright, let's go boys. Oh shoot, wait, hold up. Alright, there you go. Sorry, this thing wasn't tight in. Oh crap, where'd I go from here? There you go. It smells foul back here. Yep, there's poop right there. You gotta really be careful what's in front of me in case there's like coyotes or something. It's really dark. Nice view. A little downhill right there. Woohoo! Oh shoot, there's a traffic jam up ahead.